Okay, we got a Golf Mk5 here. Got something from China here. 25 bucks. Third brake light. The only way to access it is you gotta break this off. So I already have kind of started it. We broke a hole right here. I'm just gonna pull it out. It should pop right out. Got that part out. Gotta pull the rest of the stuff out. It's kind of screwed in from the inside. Well, we're not gonna screw it back in. We'll show you how you pop the new one in. This is pretty much junk. Okay, so now we got to reach inside and find this connector. We're going to pull out this connector. It'll snap right in. Okay, quick and easy. Okay, this is, let's see here how to snap this thing out. Okay, let me take a closer look. Okay, so this tab under here, it needs to be lifted. There. So this tab here needs to be pushed up so it snaps out of that. Okay, we got it out. Okay, now we're ready for the new one. Snap it in until it clicks. It's locked in. Slide it back in there. And this should snap right back in. All done, it ain't going anywhere. So let's light it up. See, let me hit the brake. Is it good?
Well, I think you have to turn the key on.
Yep. Yep. Do it again.
Yep, brakes, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's how you do it.
It only took less than 5 minutes to do it. Yeah, less than 5 minutes. So we'll do 5 minutes. That's how you do it.
Mk5, right?
R32. 32. Third light, how you follow it? Third light.
Yep, third brake light.
Third brake light.